Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. This might be the fastest soaping video ever because I was getting ready to film it and I looked up and halfway through it I realized that my memory card was out of memory and so it stopped recording me in the middle of making this. But anyway, I am testing a fragrance for BeScented. This is called Cinnaberries and it smells amazing. The description is basically it's the holiday season. Raspberries, plums, fresh cranberry orange. There's a little bit of warm cinnamon, clove, sweet vanilla cream. Just smells fantastic. It smells like you would think that the holiday season smells like. So it's a great fragrance. Does not accelerate, doesn't trace, doesn't trace, of course it traces, doesn't accelerate, and it doesn't rice. So it's a great fragrance. And for this one, I use New Penny's Mica from BeScented and the Red High Heels Mica from BeScented. I was thinking cinnamon is a little bit brown and berries. We can go ahead and do a red, and then I left the base color just as is. So it smells super, super good. And just getting ready to mix all my colors in, and I will bring you guys back.